about to film a mukbang thing.
Yes, Bella.
So Bella's having anxiety.
Yeah, of course she is. Here's Bella's anxiety kicking in. She's alright though. Oh. There's Bella. Almost here.
What did you want?
Wrote it down.
Wrote it down.
I did.
Oh.
You're welcome. Yeah, I did.
McDonald's, how can I help you?
Hi. So can I have 2 grilled chicken wraps and then a small fry?
Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah.
Back to the shorter.
I want that.
Yeah. And then can I also have a mocha frap?
You get me a water cup too.
Yeah. And we also have a water cup.
For Bella.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks. Thank you. Hi. Got it.
Oh, Belly.
I didn't pull up all the way.
Stop it. Stop it.
Thank you.
Oh, I got you water.
The sun is literally.
It's what I look good.
You can't see anything. Okay. Bella! Where is she? Oh, I forgot to order that. What?
That's risky. So what did we order? Why are you eating my fries?
No, it's 2 fries. Hamburger. Oh, is that the cheese?
Yeah, baby.
There you go.
Oh, you can't see her. She's right there.
Fries are in here. This is good. Yeah, this lighting is like. Everything. Alright, what can we talk about? Oh, let's talk about the week. Want to talk about the week?
No, I don't want to talk about
You want to talk about the week?
No.
Do we want to talk about the week? Let's talk about the week.
Let's not talk about the week.
Why?
The week that's going to cost us more than what we bought it for.
It won't get fixed. It just won't get picked up because we don't have $100. Yeah. She's being very quiet.
She wants to french fry. We just got our teeth cleaned. And now we're eating McDonald's. This is not the best food for our teeth.
I got my teeth cleaned.
Yeah, the first thing
And then I
ate was
ordered
a chocolate
Dunkin'.
donut.
I went to, yeah, we went to Dunkin'. She got a donut.
That was weird. Extra fun. She's just sitting there. Oh, he's so cute. Bella, you want some water? Want water? Can you get this?
You can mukbang with your dog. Thumbnail.
Drink it. You drink it. Come on, drink it. What are you looking the cup for? It's for you. Oh, I forgot this isn't distilled. That's why I should have bought it.
Oh, it's undistilled water. That's why. We should have for distilled water. We only give her distilled water. I'm a mess. Oh. I'm getting anxiety again. Okay, I got the mocha frap. Look at that. What is he doing? In high school,
Let's stay. You're okay.
Bella has an Instagram, and it's maltipoo.bella.mia. At Instagram, I'll link it in the description below if I ever upload this.
Look at all the salt on the seat. This is not good. Come on, I know you want one. No? Alright, I'll give it to you when you get home.